Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Princess Bubblegum. Do you know who is Princess Bubblegum? Princess Bubblegum is a kind and smart character from the show Adventure Time. She is the ruler of the Candy Kingdoms, where everything is made of sweets and all her friends are candy people. Princess Bubblegum loves to help others and use her knowledge of science and technology to solve problems. She cares about her friends like Finn the human and Jack the dog and always works to keep her kingdom safe and happy. Kids and toddlers can learn about friendship, kindness and importance of being smart just like Princess Bubblegum. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.